In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test sequences in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to optimize your email campaigns or just curious about what works best with your audience, understanding A/B testing can provide valuable insights. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to your HubSpot account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account. HubSpot is a comprehensive tool that offers a free version, but for more advanced features like A/B testing, having a paid plan is often necessary. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard, your starting point for all things HubSpot. Next, you'll want to head over to the Sales menu. Click on Sequences. This is where the magic happens, and you'll be managing, creating, and editing your email sequences here. If you're not familiar with sequences, think of them as automated email workflows that help nurture leads or keep in touch with existing clients. It's a great way to streamline your communications and make sure you're reaching out at the right time with the right message. You have the option to select an existing sequence to edit. Maybe there's one that's been underperforming and you think a little tweak could make a difference. Or, if you're starting fresh, click on Create Sequence. Craft your sequence with the emails that align with your campaign goals. This part's important. Each email should serve a purpose, moving the recipient a step closer to your desired outcome, whether that's clicking a link, signing up for a webinar, or making a purchase. Once you're in an email step of your sequence, you'll see an option to add A/B test. Go ahead and click on that. This allows you to set up variations for testing. Maybe you want to experiment with subject lines or try out different calls to action. Whatever it is, A/B testing lets you compare performance so you can identify which version resonates better with your audience and use data to inform your decisions. It's this attention to detail that can really elevate your marketing strategies. Finally, don't forget to save all your changes. Saving is crucial. It ensures that all the hard work you've put into creating these variations won't be lost and can be implemented in real-world scenarios. It's always a good practice to double-check your work before hitting save to avoid any unintended errors or oversight. And there you have it. Incorporating A/B testing in your HubSpot sequences can provide actionable insights and improve how you engage with your audience. Keep an eye on the results, learn from them, and continue refining your approach to reach the best outcomes. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide useful as you explore A/B testing in HubSpot.